Everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On this video, I will be showing you my claims from the latest Softlex Company live sale, and I will go ahead and leave a link down below in the description box for information on their live sales. They have one every Thursday, 1 p.m. Pacific or 4 p.m. Eastern. Their lives can be watched on Facebook, Instagram, or on the app, and so the first couple claims were these adorable check glass. They're kind of like a little fancy cat, but they're really unique with the little swirls. And they had some of these beads in one of the mystery kits over, I believe, the winter, and I just fell in love with them. So when I saw them in the live sale, I just had to claim them, as well as these ones here. And they're kind of like a little pearl kind of texture to them, and they're just check glass flat diamonds. But I thought those would be really pretty. I'm getting summer tones off of them to pair it with Amazonite. I just feel like all the colors that that stone can come in and the different shades would look perfect with those. We also got some crystals, some check glass crystals, and these are 6 by 4 millimeter rondels. You can just tell the sparkle on those. And these ones, 4 millimeter champagne, but you do get a lot, and their prices are amazing. So be sure to check out the Softlex live sales. Even with that check glass, how pretty. Just all that sparkle. And we have some lentil beads, and these are pot drilled. And you get 25 of them per strand. And I thought this would go really well with the upcoming Softlex Company Tree of Life design kit. It's kind of the same color tone, so I thought that'd be fun to play with. And then the ceramic beads. I absolutely love ceramic beads. I think they're a work of art and they're so unique. So I got the 9 millimeter ceramic purple stars. And there are so many different ceramic beads on their live sales. Then I got these ones here, and they are a dark green flower. Now, this would be really great for their upcoming design kit in exotic blooms with the flowers, then also for spring. And those ones are 9 millimeter. I also claim these remind me of sunflowers, an 11 millimeter flower, and I thought that would be kind of pretty with these lentil beads to kind of pair them together and maybe try to make a pendant or an earring. So stay tuned for that upcoming tutorial. I think these ones are called Northern Lights. Let me just scoot these out of the way here. You just see the sparkle. This is a really unique shape it has. I thought that was pretty cool. You can pair really well with the crystals or maybe with the ceramic. Oh, I like that design. With the ceramic stars, might have to create something with that and maybe some tanzanite soft flex wire or purple amethyst. That is everything I claimed from the latest Softlex live sale. Stay tuned for upcoming tutorials and other content. Have a wonderful day.